We are here today, and in moments our lives could be completely upside down. And as you can see, the shrine stood here for hundreds of years, yet one earthquake, an earth shook, and it brought the main hall of the shrine, the main structure, to completely collapse. And its weight and sad, yet reminder of how fragile our life is, reminder how important we have to preserve and protect what we have. Those are the values we need to hold and protect. We can build and rebuild and renew all what we have lost. The one thing that we cannot replace is that one thing on this entire planet, the life on earth. Human life, animal life, plant life, the air, water, all that is life, that gives us life. And that is all sustained and interdependent on our Mother Nature. Our Mother Nature we have to protect and safeguard. Now, otherwise we will all perish. And here I am at the Aso Shrine, come to pay my respect and feeling of deep sadness, yet it also reminds me of the true reality of life on earth.